Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best camping tables in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Lifetime Height Adjustable Craft Camping and Utility Folding Table. Lifetime 4-foot light commercial fold-in-half adjustable table. Features a 48-inch x 24-inch molded tabletop, white granite, with a round folding frame, gray. This table has 3 adjustable height settings, 22-inch, 24-inch, 29-inch, and 36-inch, and comes with a 2-year limited. No matter where your hobbies take you, the Lifetime 4 feet adjustable fold-in-half table is the perfect companion. From crafty creations at home to painting in a natural outdoor setting, this portable craft table is ready to go where you go. The table is designed with 3 different height settings to accommodate your various needs and projects, and a stain-resistant surface so it's easy to clean. When you finish your masterpiece, simply fold up your portable craft table and store it until your next burst of inspiration. Number 4. Camp Time Roll-A Table, green, with adjustable legs. All materials in Roll-A Table are chosen to complement its unique design. The aluminum comes from Oregon. The 11-segment roll top is made of a select grade of ultra-core laminated wood from Montana that is completely covered by a water-resistant fabric. All fittings are zinc-plated steel, and Camp Time does all its manufacturing in Spokane, Washington. 4 telescoping aluminum table legs provide leveling on irregular ground. 4 legs weigh 2 ounces. Each leg has a spring button that positively engages one of 11 separate height-adjusting holes for a total of 12 table heights, including 19, 22 sextillion, 122 quintillion, 232 quadrillion, 425 trillion, 262 billion, 728 million, 293,000, and 31 leg adjusted to 31 long is much more flexible than 19 long when using the adjustable legs above 28. Provide additional table stiffness by strapping 2 tables together, or bracing the table against a wall/tree, or pushing the table legs into the sand. Number 3. Portal Outdoor Folding Portable Picnic Camping Table with Adjustable Height Aluminum Roll-Up Tabletop Mesh Layers Silver. AGUSTABLEHEIGHE. Portal folding table designed with telescoping aluminum legs for different heights, starting at 17.7 to 27.5 to fit uneven surfaces and meet the demands for your next camping adventure. Extra storage space. Mesh bottom layer provides more space and holds more stuff for you. It can be removed quickly from the 4 legs when you don't need. Easy to carry. The aluminum slat tabletop can be rolled up. Legs are foldable with non-skid feet. Included carry bag makes the table extremely compact for easy storage and transportation. Quick ESETUB. Assembly can be finished in 1 minute. The strength and stability will exceed your expectations. Number 2. Nemo Moonlander Table. Smooth, impervious, and durable tabletop surface is made of heat-stabilized nylon to endure the elements and clean easily. Jewel height design offers low picnic blanket setup or deploy hidden legs for elevated side table. High-quality hardware brings next-level detail, durability, and clean aesthetic. Custom-engineered aluminum hinges are over-molded into the tabletop for a lifetime of performance. Aluminum legs are integrated with zinc pole tips for a stable and supportive outdoor camp table. Number 1. Camp Chef Sherpa Camp Table and Organizer. Tabletop 27 x 17, table height 28. Having the Sherpa Camp Table and Organizer is like having kitchen cupboards at the campsite. When the legs are compressed and pouches zipped, the carry handles make it easy to grab and go. The 4 padded bags keep everything organized during storage and transport, but as an added feature, the blue organizer bag is lined and can be used as a cooler or even a kitchen sink. A roll-out aluminum tabletop attaches to the frame and is stowed away when not in use. Internal zipping storage dividers can be adjusted to customize storage options and open up enough room for a Men series stove or portable outdoor oven.